children.
Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about something very interesting, namely search engines. Imagine that they are tools that help find information in the vast world of the internet. With them, you can quickly find answers to any question, but you need to know how to use them properly. By a large tree, Puppy and Rat met. Puppy was full of enthusiasm, boasting about how quickly he found cookie recipes using a search engine. Rat noticed that Puppy typed a very general phrase, which resulted in many unnecessary results. Rat explained that it is better to specify questions, for example, by adding words like sugar-free or for dogs. Puppy admitted that it was a good idea, although he previously thought that search engines always knew what he meant. At the playground, Sparrow and Bee were talking about how they use search engines. Sparrow mentioned that sometimes he checks strange results that do not match his question at all. Bee pointed out that it is good to use filters and check the sources of information. This way, you can distinguish reliable sites from less trustworthy ones. They both agreed that this makes it easier to find what is really needed. On the meadow, the guinea pig and the kitten met. I asked them what the differences are in search results. The guinea pig noticed that sometimes the same phrases give different results. The kitten explained that search engines tailor answers to users based on their previous searches. They both agreed that it is worth checking results in incognito mode, meaning anonymously, to get a more objective answer. Children, remember that search engines are very helpful tools, but you need to know how to use them. By typing precise questions, checking the credibility of websites, and using filters, you can easily find the information you need. See you in the next episode.